Hi everyone, we just moved and now we are in Hanoi, Vietnam.
This is the old quarter of Hanoi, and that's where we are going to be staying for the next while. Come with me and I'm going to give you a tour of our place.
Hey Hope,
Yeah,
where do you live?
we live on this street.
This is our street. No, Yuen. This is actually not a street. It's a pedestrian laneway closed to cars.
Hey Hope and Rhea, where do you live?
We don't live there. We're staying there. It's a home stay. Just down the street. But where we're staying is just down the street. Come with me and I'm going to take you to my place. Gotta be aware from bikes coming.
This is our place. It's a travel agency on the ground level and our room is on the second floor.
So this is our apartment in Hanoi.
Old quarter of Hanoi.
Now let's go in. So right here he's got like TV and all that. And then on the other side of the door is like a closet and it's like a bed for mommy and daddy. And right beside their bed is me and Rhea's bunk bed. I'm the bottom. She's on the top. And then we have a balcony. Mommy's doing some journal writing out here. Say hi, Mommy.
Hi there. Come on out and see the city.
So right out here is the city.
That's our street.
We have another video coming very soon where we take you for a walk down this laneway that we're looking at. And the cool part is that the roads are too narrow for cars, so it's all motorcycles and people, which is kind of cool. I mean, if there was no buildings or anything, cars could come, but there's buildings and the roads are really narrow, so you can't drive on this road. And this is the Vietnam flag right here. It's just plain red with the star. It's a lot more basic to draw than other ones. Be sure to watch our other videos.